Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mr. T. Malavana. Today's lesson is all about Beyond the Solar System, Natural Sciences Grade 8. First of all, we're going to start with the lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to describe what exists beyond our solar system, explain the structure and types of stars and galaxies, understand the concept of light years and distance in space, identify key astronomical tools used to study deep space. Keywords. The first keyword is the solar system. What is the solar system actually? The solar system is the sun and all the planets and moons that move around it. A star, a big ball of hot gas that gives off light and heat. Galaxy, a huge group of stars, gas, and dust held together by gravity. Milky Way, the galaxy where our solar system is found. Universe, everything that exists in space. Light year, the distance light travels in 1 year. Interstellar space, the space between stars. Telescope, a tool used to see far away objects in space. Space probe, a spacecraft that collects information from space. Spectroscope, a tool that studies lights from stars to learn what they are made of. Nuclear fusion, the process that makes stars shine. Constellation, a group of stars that form a pattern in the sky. Exoplanet, a planet that goes around a star outside our solar system. Gravity, the force that pulls objects towards each other. Astronomy, the study of stars, planets, and space. Actually, what lies beyond our solar system? Beyond the solar system lies the interstellar medium, a vast, most space containing gas, dust, and cosmic rays. The space is filled with countless other stars, each potentially orbited by its own planets, exoplanets. What is an exoplanet? Initially, I mentioned that an exoplanet is a planet that goes around a star outside our solar system, um, which are organized into a in the Milky Way. Galaxy. Eventually, our galaxy is surrounded by even more space, which is home to other galaxies. The solar system includes the sun, planets, moons, and smaller objects like asteroids and comets. Beyond the solar system lies interstellar space, the vast region between stars. This region contains gas, dust, and cosmic rays. I made a picture here of how does stars looks like, planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. How do they look like? Here's a visual picture showing how do they look like, and these are the parts, or maybe I can say objects that make our solar system or that are found in the solar system. Coming to the stars. What are stars actually? Stars are massive balls of hot gas, mainly hydrogen and helium. They produce energy through nuclear fusion. Stars vary in size, temperature, color, and brightness. Our sun is an average size star. If you can check here, I made a picture here. For example, if you can check this picture here, the sort of like a blue, orange, light, white, something like that. So it's in a picture of stars. If you can check, they said stars vary in size, temperature, color, and brightness. If you can check, there's some stars that are shiny, are light in color, and etc. They differ in color, size, temperature, and brightness. Here's an example of like how a star is made up. I guess on the star is a hot ball. It's a massive hot balls of hot gases, and this is how it is being made of. Um, you'll see that one in detail in the next slide. Here I made the sizes of a stars. We have the low average, we have low to average mass star, which is the one with the orange color. We have the large mass star, the one with the green color. We have the very large mass star with a blue color. Okay, this is how they differ in sizes because the one with the low to average mass star, it is called white dwarf. Then that one of the large mass, the green one, it is called neutron star. Then that one of the very large mass star, it is called a black hole. A black hole. The life of high mass star. Here's the picture of showing the high mass star. This is the parts that are found in the high mass star. We have the non-burning hydrogen, we have the hydrogen fusion, we have the helium fusion, we have the carbon fusion, we have the oxygen fusion, we have the neon fusion, we have the magnesium fusion, we have the silicon fusion, we have the inert ion core. Um, another one, we have the galaxies. A galaxy is a huge collection of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter held together by gravity. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. Main types are the spiral, for example, Milky Way, elliptical, and irregular galaxies. Here's a picture of showing how a galaxy looks like. Even in this picture, there's an explanation explaining what is a galaxy. A galaxy is a system of millions or billions of stars together with gas and dust, held together by gravitational attraction. The word galaxy is derived from the Greek galaxias, literally milky, a reference to the Milky Way. Coming to the Milky Way. The Milky Way is the galaxy that contains our solar system. It is the spiral galaxy with billions of stars. Our system is located in one of its spiral arm. Here's a picture of like how a Milky Way galaxy looks like. Here's is it coming to the measuring distance in space. Measuring distance in space. Space distances are so large that we use light years. Light years. One light year is the distance light travels in 1 year, about 9,46 trillion kilometer. The nearest star to Earth, other than the Sun, is approximately century about 4,24 light years away. Here's a pictures of like how the light year work. Okay. Uh, a light year is a unit of distance used in astronomy to measure how far light travels in 1 year. What is a light year in detail? A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. It is exactly approximately 5,8 trillion miles. How many light years from the Earth? Uh, we have how many light years from the Earth? From Earth, we have 8,3 light minutes to the Sun, 4,25 light years to the closest star, approximately century. We have 220, uh, 320 light years to the North Star, Polaris. We have 26,000 light years to the center of the Milky Way, our galaxy, 2,5 million light years to the Andromeda, the closest galaxy, 46,5 billion light years to the edge of the universe. Tools for exploring beyond the solar system. The first tool we have the telescope used to observe distant stars and galaxies. For example, Hubble Space Telescope, Hubble Space Telescope. This is how it looks like. That is the first tool for exploring beyond the solar system. Number two, we have the space probe travels beyond planets to collect data. For example, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Here we have the Voyager 1 or 2. This is how it looks like. That is the tool for exploring beyond the solar system. Another tool we have the spectroscope, analyze light to determine the composition of stars. This is how a spectroscope looks like. It's a picture here. Summary. Here we have the summary. The universe extends far beyond our solar system. Stars and galaxies make up most of what we see in deep space. Astronomers used advanced tools to study and understand the cosmos. Review question. Or can say maybe a short quiz. What is found beyond the solar system? For example, let's try to analyze from what we have had in our introduction or like in the explanation through the explanation. Well, what is found beyond the solar system actually? What is found beyond the solar system? We know that we found the sun, the planets and the moons and the asteroids and the comets. There are so many. What are the main types of galaxies? How do scientists measure distance in space? Name one tool used to study objects beyond our solar system. What is found beyond the solar system is that we have found the sun, the space filled with stars and other solar system and galaxies. What are the main types of galaxies? We have the spiral, elliptical, and irregular galaxies. How do scientists measure distance in space? They use light years to measure how far objects are. Name one tool used to study objects beyond our solar system. We have the telescope, for example, the Hubble Space Telescope, and etc. You can pause the video, can try this one out and mark yourself after. Here are the solutions. You can pause the video and check the solutions and mark yourself if you have got them correct. Guys, this is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you, guys. See you next time.